Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the secrets of entrepreneurship and the dynamic world of e-commerce. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: how to start dropshipping using the incredible power of AI. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey of business innovation and automation. Picture this: a business model where you can sell products without the hassle of inventory management or shipping logistics. That's the magic of dropshipping, and with the help of AI, it becomes even more powerful. AI, the game changer of our digital era, can be your ultimate ally in the world of dropshipping. It brings automation, insights, and efficiency to your fingertips, transforming your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. So, how do you start dropshipping with AI? Let's dive in. Step 1. Product sourcing. AI-powered tools can analyze market trends, customer preferences, and supplier data to help you find winning products with high demand and profitability. It's like having a supercharged product scout that guides you to the hottest-selling items. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, including market trends, customer preferences, and supplier information, to pinpoint products with high demand and profitability. It takes the guesswork out of product selection, saving you time and effort. With AI as your product sourcing partner, you gain a competitive edge by offering in-demand items that resonate with your target audience. By leveraging the insights and recommendations provided by AI, you can confidently stock your online store with products that are more likely to sell, maximizing your chances of success in the dropshipping industry. Get ready to supercharge your product sourcing with the remarkable power of AI, and watch your business soar to new heights of profitability and customer satisfaction. Step 2. Automated order processing. AI seamlessly integrates with your e-commerce platform, automating order fulfillment and tracking. Say goodbye to manual order processing and hello to streamlined operations that save you time and effort. AI technology seamlessly integrates with your e-commerce platform, automating key aspects of order fulfillment and tracking. From the moment a customer places an order, AI takes charge, automatically generating shipping labels, updating inventory, and coordinating with suppliers for smooth product delivery. By eliminating the need for manual order processing, you can save valuable time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business and providing exceptional customer service. With AI as your reliable order processing assistant, you can streamline operations, reduce errors, and ensure timely fulfillment, leading to satisfied customers and enhanced business efficiency. Say goodbye to the stress of manual order management and embrace the convenience and effectiveness of AI-powered automated order processing in your dropshipping venture. Get ready to experience a seamless and streamlined workflow that frees up your time to focus on scaling your business and delivering an exceptional customer experience. Step 3. Customer support. AI chatbots can provide instant customer service, answering inquiries, resolving issues, and providing a seamless buying experience. It's like having a virtual assistant that attends to your customers' needs 24/7. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer service, answering inquiries, resolving issues, and ensuring a seamless buying experience. Customers can receive immediate assistance and support, even outside of regular business hours, thanks to the 24/7 availability of AI chatbots. These intelligent bots can handle a wide range of customer queries, providing accurate and relevant information, guiding customers through the buying process, and addressing common concerns. By leveraging AI chatbots, you can enhance customer satisfaction, improve response times, and optimize your customer support operations. Say goodbye to long wait times and hello to instant assistance, as AI chatbots become your trusted virtual assistant, ready to provide exceptional service and support to your valued customers at any time of the day. Get ready to elevate your customer experience and build strong relationships with the power of AI-driven customer support in your dropshipping business. Step 4. Data-driven decisions. AI algorithms can analyze sales data, customer behavior, and market insights to help you make informed decisions, optimize your pricing, and identify growth opportunities. It's like having a business analyst crunching numbers in real time. AI can analyze sales data, customer behavior patterns, and market insights to help you make informed decisions that drive your dropshipping business forward. By leveraging AI-powered analytics, you gain a comprehensive understanding of your business performance, enabling you to optimize pricing strategies, identify trends, and uncover growth opportunities. AI algorithms can uncover patterns and correlations within vast amounts of data, providing you with actionable recommendations to enhance your marketing campaigns, improve customer targeting, and refine your product offerings. With AI as your data-driven decision-making companion, you can confidently navigate the complexities of the e-commerce landscape, staying ahead of the competition and making strategic choices backed by insights and analysis. Get ready to unlock the power of data-driven decision-making as AI empowers you to make informed choices that propel your dropshipping business to new heights of success. So, my aspiring entrepreneurs, if you're ready to dive into the world of dropshipping, let AI be your partner in success. With the power of automation, insights, and efficiency, you can build a thriving business and unlock your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our amazing community of dropshipping enthusiasts. Together, with the magic of AI, let's revolutionize the way we do business and embark on a journey of e-commerce success. Until next time, may your drops be shipping, your profits soaring, and your entrepreneurial dreams becoming a reality with the help of AI.